Hey, how you doing? What is up? Matt here from Surplus Trader Secrets. So yes, I'm not all about the hustle and the working. Sometimes you've got to take breaks or you get burnout, and I started to get a bit of burnout recently, and so we've taken a few days in the Lake District here in the UK, and time to just kick back and just chill and recharge for a few days. People go on about the hustle and you gotta work 24 hours a day. You gotta work till you keep earning money, and but that is not how it is. How I work my business is, I like the hustle. Yeah, I do like the hustle because I believe that you've got to work for things, okay? But I'm also very much into automation as well. Automating a lot of parts of my business where a lot of things are being done without me actually doing them. And so I'm going to be bringing out a new training in a few days on 10 ways to make money flipping surplus inventory by working less, okay? And by doing that, I'm talking about actually automating a lot of parts of the business. Things that can happen in the business without you actually doing it yourself. Working on the business instead of working in the business. There's a big difference there, guys. A lot of people think that you've got to make money, or you make money by working in your business. Well, that's not actually true. You make money by working on your business and by automating and systemizing a lot of things in your business. If you're doing everything in your business yourself, then that's going to be hard for you to scale. It's going to be hard for you to grow your business. You need to be automating parts of your business, and there are ways of doing it, the inexpensive ways of doing it, guys, and that's it. So I'm going to come up with a training very soon, and I'll show you 10 things that I do in my business, which actually grows my business without me actually doing a lot of the stuff myself. And that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be, you see that is the lake, that is Windermere Lake, and I'm going to be having a swim in there a bit later. Going to be going for a swim. Yesterday we took a boat out on there, but today I'm just gonna go for some breakfast, and then later on we're gonna go have a swim, and then tonight we're going out for dinner, and it's all good. I'm just recharging, and so I will see you guys very soon. What a beautiful place this is. Absolutely gorgeous, and we picked the right time for the weather as well. All the best, guys. Speak soon. Take care. Peace.